Are you a student who's tired of being broke and always running out of money before the end of the month? Imagine turning your free time into real income without needing any big investment or special skills. In this video, I'm going to show you proven ways students can start earning online even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. And trust me, if you stick till the end, you'll discover opportunities you probably didn't even know existed. So hit that subscribe button right now, because this channel is all about helping you earn smarter, live better, and build the financial freedom you deserve. 1. Freelancing flexibility. Freelancing gives students the ability to turn their talents into money without the need for an office or boss. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with people looking for skills you already have, such as writing, design, or tutoring. The beauty of freelancing is that you can choose when and how much you want to work. Even if you're broke and have no tools, you can start with free resources and basic internet access. Over time, you build your reputation, which means clients will trust and pay you more. 2. Online tutoring power. Online tutoring is a perfect way for students to make money by teaching subjects they already know. Whether it's math, English, science, or even helping younger students with homework, tutoring platforms connect you to learners worldwide. What makes it powerful is that you're using your current knowledge to generate income instead of learning something brand new. Many websites don't require a teaching degree to get started, especially for basic subjects. You can schedule your lessons around your own study time, making it flexible and stress-free. 3. Content creation growth. Students can use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to turn creativity into money. All you need is a smartphone and consistency to start posting content. The secret is to pick a niche you enjoy so you don't burn out quickly. Once your content gets attention, brand sponsorships, ads, and affiliate links can turn your videos into passive income streams. The beauty of this method is that your effort compounds. One video can keep earning for years. 4. Affiliate marketing hacks. Affiliate marketing allows students to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You don't need to create your own product or service. Just recommend something valuable. With platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASO, you can find countless items to promote. You can use social media, blogs, or YouTube to share your links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn money. What makes this perfect for broke students is that it requires zero upfront cost. 5. Selling digital products. Students can earn money by creating and selling digital products like ebooks, templates, and study guides. You only create them once, and they can be sold unlimited times. Since digital products don't require shipping or physical costs, they're perfect for beginners. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own social media can help you reach customers easily. Even if you're broke, free tools like Google Docs or Canva let you create professional-looking products. Many students start by selling notes or guides that help them succeed academically. The beauty is, every sale gives you more freedom and motivation to create more. 6. Remote internship advantage. Remote internships are an incredible way for students to earn money while gaining valuable work experience. Companies now hire students from anywhere to perform tasks like social media management, writing, or research. Many of these internships are paid and provide flexible hours. What makes them powerful is that you're building your resume while getting income. This gives you an edge when you graduate and apply for bigger roles. The best part is you don't need to spend money on travel or formal clothes because everything is done online. 7. Print-on-demand earnings. Print-on-demand allows students to design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and other products without owning inventory. Websites like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printify handle production and shipping for you. All you do is upload your design, and when a customer buys, you earn a profit. This is a great method for broke students since you don't need to spend money up front. Creativity is your currency, and every design is a chance to earn. The process is simple, fun, and scalable. Some students even go viral with a single design that earns thousands of dollars. 8. Online surveys and microtasks. Online surveys and microtasks might not make you rich, but they're an excellent starting point for broke students. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you for completing small online activities. These include surveys, testing websites, or watching ads. While the money is small, it's instant and requires no skills. It's a great way to build confidence in making money online. You can use your earnings to fund bigger online ventures like freelancing or content creation. 9. Social media management. Students who understand Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook can offer social media management services to small businesses. Many businesses don't have time or knowledge to handle their pages properly. You can step in, create posts, manage comments, and grow their audience. The best part is, you already use these platforms daily, so the skills come naturally. Social media managers are in high demand, and even local shops are willing to pay for help. For broke students, this is a golden opportunity because you only need creativity and consistency. 10. Blogging and writing online. Writing is one of the most powerful ways for students to make money online. Starting a blog or contributing to websites allows you to earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The initial setup can be done for free or at very low cost. Blogging builds authority and helps you express your ideas while earning. If you don't want to run a blog, you can write articles for clients and get paid per piece. Every post you write adds to your online portfolio and creates more opportunities. And there you have it, 10 powerful ways students, even those who are completely broke, can start earning money online today. The best part is that you don't need fancy equipment, huge investments, or years of experience. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, or selling digital products, the opportunities are endless, and the earlier you start, the bigger your success will be. If this video helped you and you want more real practical money-making tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of dream chasers. Your broke student days don't have to define you, but your actions today will shape your future tomorrow.